Welcome back to the Phone Transformer. Today, we'll show you how to record internal audio on AZ Screen Recorder. It's quick and easy. Now, let's get started. Step 1. Download and install AZ Screen Recorder from the Google Play Store. This is the first thing you need to do since the app isn't pre-installed on most devices. Step 2. Open the AZ Screen Recorder app once it's installed. You'll see the main screen with options to start recording or adjust settings. Step 3. Tap on the Settings option, usually represented by a gear icon. This is where you'll find all the important controls for customizing your recordings. Step 4. Select the Audio Source option from the Settings menu. This lets you choose where the recorder picks up sound from. Step 5. Choose Internal Audio to enable internal audio recording. This ensures only the sound from your device is captured, not background noise. Step 6. Start recording as you normally would, and now your video will include internal audio without any external disturbances. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.